Welcome to our deep dive into mastering Canary deployments in ML systems. Today, we'll explore essential strategies and tools to safely roll out new models while minimizing risks.
Imagine releasing a new ML model, only to have it fail spectacularly. Canary deployments are here to save the day. They allow us to gradually roll out changes to a small subset of users, minimizing risk and ensuring system stability. In this video, we'll delve into why Canary deployments are crucial in ML systems, especially as businesses become more reliant on machine learning. Stay tuned to discover how you can seamlessly integrate this technique into your deployment workflow.
Canary deployments offer a safety net for ML systems by minimizing the risks associated with deploying new models. By testing changes on a small group of users, you can identify potential issues early, ensuring a smoother transition. This strategy not only protects the user experience but also builds trust in your system's reliability. As we dive deeper, you'll understand how Canary deployments can significantly enhance your deployment strategy and why they are indispensable for modern ML operations. Setting up a Canary deployment workflow involves several critical steps. First, define clear success criteria to measure the deployment's impact. Then, carefully select a small, representative group of users to receive the update. It's crucial to have a rollback plan in place in case things go awry. Continuous monitoring for performance and user feedback will guide necessary adjustments. Iteration is key. Use insights gained to refine your deployment process and ensure successful model updates.
To effectively monitor Canary deployments, begin by identifying key performance indicators, KPIs, that align with your model's goals. Utilize real-time monitoring tools to track these metrics and gather user feedback. It's essential to analyze this data to adjust deployments as needed and ensure optimal performance. We'll also cover some of the best tools available for monitoring, providing you with the resources to make informed decisions during the deployment process. Even with the best planning, deployments can encounter issues. Recognizing early signs of failure is crucial to implement rollback strategies promptly. Communicate effectively with stakeholders to manage expectations and learn from each rollback event. These insights will help you future-proof your deployment process, reducing the likelihood of similar issues in the future. Handling rollbacks efficiently is a vital skill in mastering Canary deployments, ensuring minimal disruption and sustained trust in your ML systems. Exploring real-world case studies provides valuable insights into the implementation of Canary deployments. We'll examine successful ML model rollouts and analyze lessons learned from deployment failures. Discover innovative approaches across various industries and their impact on user satisfaction and business goals. These case studies highlight strategies for overcoming common deployment challenges, offering practical knowledge that you can apply to your ML systems.
Choosing the right tools and platforms is pivotal for successful Canary deployments. We'll explore popular tools available in the market, such as Kubernetes and Spinnaker, and discuss how to integrate them into your workflow. Learn about essential features to look for in deployment tools and ensure compatibility with your existing ML systems. With the right tools, you can enhance efficiency and reduce the complexities associated with deploying new models. Implementing best practices in Canary deployments ensures smooth and effective rollouts. Start by defining clear objectives and success metrics. Prioritize user feedback to guide deployment decisions. Maintain continuous integration and delivery processes to streamline updates. Collaborate across teams for comprehensive testing and stay updated with industry trends and innovations. These practices will equip you to manage ML model deployments with confidence and precision.
Avoiding common pitfalls in Canary deployments is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your ML systems. Identify frequent mistakes, such as insufficient testing and overconfidence in early successes. Manage change resistance effectively and adapt strategies for continuous improvement. By understanding these challenges, you'll be better prepared to execute Canary deployments smoothly and efficiently, safeguarding your systems against potential failures.
As we wrap up, remember that mastering Canary deployments in ML systems is a continuous journey. Embrace learning and adaptation as you refine your deployment strategies. We encourage you to provide feedback and engage with our community to further enhance your skills. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video to help us reach more learners like you. Explore our additional resources for a deeper dive into Canary deployments and stay ahead in your ML journey.